A big hello and welcome to all the planner moms, glam moms, and all my subscribers. Hope each one of you are doing well. I'm well and hope the same for you. So today I'm coming on to you with my Planner Perfect box. This is the December subscription box. Mostly I get it in a box, but this time I have ordered it in my US Stackery. And I'm telling you, this is the best way if you're international, like a person like me who is ordering Planner Perfect from the US. I would highly recommend go for the Stackery. I have a $10 off on your first, like when the delivery, the shipping price would be reduced. You can use that, and I'll also get the $10. So it is a win-win for both of us. But it's really a very trusting company. I've already ordered 2 times, and my January box also will be coming. I feel it's a little bit more faster than the normal from direct Planner Perfect, because I love everything about Planner Perfect other than the shipping international. It reaches me sometime very late. So today is the 6th and I've already received my order, and that is because I was waiting for other mails, and it comes all the way from US to Middle East. And the shipping, for me, I think this works better for me because I can club in other orders from US and order one time and pay only one time shipping, rather than just waiting for the box, which sometimes comes like on my October box I received on the 10th of November. So that was pretty late for me. So let's begin. But other than that, I love Planner Perfect method. It has really helped me to live more intentionally, to create things that I really want to happen in life, and live a very positive life. So let me quickly show you. So this time we got the journal, was this Joy to the World, and it's just a plain journal. You can use it for scripting, you can use it for journaling or for writing, anything. The quality of the paper is simply amazing. I gifted a lot to some of my friends, but this is one of the journals that came. My January and February box also would be coming in the same Stackery, and then I will be shipping it to myself, because the delivery in US is free. So it's perfect, and you can always use like Amanda 20, Tara 20, for some discount of 20% discount. So the box normally is 55 with all these things, then you get it for 44, and the shipping is free. So perfect. And then this is very good quality of Jenny's artwork, is exclusive. Look at this girl with the wreath, it's so beautiful, and then with the plate at the back and month in review. So this is very useful for me because I use a lot of this. I use it for scripting. I'll just show you my previous ones how I used. So this is the beautiful Christmas girl. Last year it was the Believe, which was another very beautiful one. We always get these stickers, so 2 sets of these. So look at these all. These are some of our previous arts, like the Santa, the girl here with the wreath, and this was in a washi last Christmas. It's very good to decorate your planner. This is like a therapy for me. I really enjoy myself with this. So these were the washies this time. So this is Merry Christmas, and this is, I think, a reindeer. This is her son's art, Jenny's son's art, and this is just a plate. And I'll just show you swatched how these washies would look. The swatched looks like this. Can see how it is. And this time she did something. Otherwise we always get 2 of these tip-ins, but this time we got 12 different ones. So may your days be merry and bright. Joy to the World. This is the December one. Believe, the Santa. The North Pole, this is the reindeer done by her son. Hot cocoa weather. Holiday baking, and this is the beautiful Santa. I wish I had a journal. This is very good. Again, I think it's the housekeeping moving the cart below. You can hear that. And here is again the Christmas tree. Baby, it's cold outside, and hello December. So these are all. So even if I get my planner a little late, I can always use it till my next planner arrives. So I'll show you. I will do my setup later, but this was my November, October. So this is I was using my Anastasia, the leather, and this is my TCMC charm. And this was October for me, which also moved on with November. So basically write a better story. I also used it for my November. And then some of my health goals looked like that: family, work, and God. So these are the 4 categories. And after February, let's see, because I also got a goal planner, power sheets from Cultivate Matters. So mostly that I'll be using for goal. But this is my scripting always. I love using. See, I've used it 6th October, and then you will see it's a little mixed because I used 2 months together. So even my November, I had one page I was using, because since I had not ordered the November box, because I was still finding how I can get it shipped to me without getting delayed. So I used, and this really helps me a lot to write down, like, what I really want in life. I really enjoy, because see, even when we are small children, if we keep repeating something, that's how small kids learn, by repetitive learning. So if we keep writing happy thoughts and things that we want in life, you will be surprised how they arrive. So I just put this tip in. Now when I'll do my November, you can follow me in my Instagram, My Life with Baby S. There you can see. So this is a Free to Be Me book, and this is like my heart's desires and dreams. I write down whatever I want to do or things like that. It's still not written a lot, but yeah, some of the things. Then this is Baby S memory book, some of her good memories, how she started her school and things like that, or any happy memories. I want her to have this, and from there on I will gift it to her. So this is one book, and this is the one that I will be moving into during Christmas season. This is the Poppy. This is Book of Urgent Prayers, where I write down prayers urgently. I pray for something. And sorry, my daughter also just woke up. She's just come into the room. Living a Grateful Life. This is all about this one is everything, every year what I'm grateful for. So in 2020, what I was grateful for. Now for 2021, what I was grateful for. So I will write down 21 reasons. In 2020, I was grateful for 20 reasons. Now in 2021, 21 reasons. It's very difficult this year for me to be grateful. I had a lot of things. I lost my mom to cancer and COVID. In September, I had my gallbladder operation. But then even all of these things are there, but God's grace really, where the grace of God, where God's will take us, His grace will always follow us. That's something has helped me move in this life during these times, because all of this is, we can plan so many things, but it's God's will that really happens. At this time, we all need to just get strength from Him and pray and hope for better days ahead. And that's how I live my life, and that's how I want to write. This is just a book I made for my mom. She loved the beaches, so someday when I see her memories, sometimes I'll cry and write down in this something I want to talk to her about. My penmanship is not the best. I want to have a beautiful photo of hers on the 15th of May 2022. Will be a 1-year memorial. We'll be in India with my family, and we'll celebrate her life that day. So some of those things. This is bucket list of life. Mostly it is for traveling, where I want to go to travel around the world, some of the countries. Still undergoing. Maybe from 2022, first country is India, because I need to visit my family. I've not been there for 3 years now. And then the rest of the world is like UK is one of my favorite places to go, and then lots of other countries. So this is my Planner Perfect. Do try this method. You don't need these fancy notebooks, but you do need to follow Jenny in YouTube, and you can do it in a plain paper and pen and write down. I have lots of videos of Planner Perfect. One of my favorite is Amanda and Homeschool with Tara. These two are my favorite YouTubers about Planner Perfect, other than Jenny, her main account. So you can follow those. And wishing all of you a very happy festive season. Merry Christmas. Christmas is all about the birth of Christ, birth of goodness, birth of love, birth of peace. And we hope we all be better like Him in every way, and keep faith. God is always with us. He's always watching over us. So stay blessed all. Take care and happy Merry Christmas. I'll see you with my Jan box.